In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce PDF size using Foxit PDF Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the File tab, top left, and then from here, you want to go to PDF Optimizer over here on the left-hand side, and you want to click on Reduce File Size, which should be the first option. Now, here you have two options. You could either apply it to your current file, or you could apply this to multiple files. So I'm going to do current file here, and as you can see, it's going to say PDF version compatibility. I'm just going to retain existing, and then here you can see how you could do your compression. Now we have basic, medium, and strong, and if you click or hover over this info icon, it's going to basically tell you all about it. So it's going to tell you what is basically going to get resampled and which details are basically going to get kept and which of them are going to get optimized. Okay, so what I would do here, I would read this and then of course decide. Now medium is kind of the middle, so I'm going to go with medium right now, but of course you can test all of these over here and actually see how it affects your PDF. And if you are happy with the strong one, for example, you could also go with this one, which is going to basically maximize your compression. So here you could also estimate the compression size, and as you can see here, this basically put this in half. So original size was 178 and now it's 91.6 here. And if I do, for example, strong, it's gonna basically go even less, which is pretty cool. And if I do basic here, as you can see, there's gonna be like, it's not going to optimize much. Right now it doesn't say it's gonna optimize at all. So I'm just gonna go with medium. I'm gonna click on OK here, and I can select where I wanna save this. I'm gonna go to downloads folder, and I'm just going to actually rename this to optimized. There we go, and I'm gonna click on save. And there we go, this has now been saved, and this has been the optimized PDF, which has been reduced in size. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.